Wow, this video got a lot of views. Must have made a lot of money. Mosh, I want money, not views. Views equals money. This is the screenshot of one of my Warrior Plus accounts from low ticket product sale. Every visitor made us $1.26 from sales. And from high ticket offer, every visitor makes us $7.14 on the average. So let's check how this video got a lot of views.
If you want to grow online, as I was saying before,
wow, cool visual hook. Not everybody can do it. Don't worry, you don't have to do it.
I got rudely interrupted. If you really want to grow online, you need to consider these two things: value and TV.
I think he's talking a little too much.
Break it down. When I say TV, I mean you should be thinking about making bingeable content. And along with the bingeable content, you want to have seasons.
He mentions a word first, then describes, making the video lengthier and more boring
within your content. You want people to be able to follow you along your journey, while simultaneously you want them to be able to watch video after video after video after video. Now let's talk about value. Value is,
after more than halfway, he's talking about value.
Different for everyone. One of the biggest things that I think about is just helping more people than anyone else in my industry. Simple as that.
Well, that makes perfect sense. This is money attitude.
If you're an entrepreneur and you want to build a business and a brand online and you need help with those following two things, comment down below.
Well, that's a good call to action. We want to see the results.
Help, we got you.
People loved his visual hook and actually looking for help by using the call to action. Another guy loved the hook. And yes, even though the video was a bit lengthy and a bit boring, the people who watched the video loved the content. So all these people reaching out to him are potential customers. So yes, this video is great. Follow the structure. You will get visitors and eventually money. If you want to learn how we earn 5 figures per week using AI, simple short videos and automated funnel, and our students love our program because it's 99% done for you, then comment 99 and I will DM you with the link to a free case study.